Alright, do you know what just came? My book just came. My book is in this box. Like, a bunch of copies of my book. How awesome is that? And I don't know what to think. It's happening. It's real. So, what could happen after this? Sorry I'm late. My private jet from the Bahamas just got in.
That's okay. Thanks for this interview. I know you're pretty busy since the release of your book. Can you tell me a little about how that blew up so much?
Well, the story behind the book really started blowing up when I unboxed it and released my unboxing video, and it went a little viral. Soon it became national news, then went international, and basically broke every bestseller record out there. I mean, it was released October 15th, and it became so big, they even had the story behind float in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. It's not even a character, just a book about the history of everyday objects, but I guess people loved it. The book signings became the place to go to spot celebrities. It was even a major plot point in the X-Files. But then Christmas came, and it was on everyone's list. I mean, papers were using the black cover as a symbol for Black Friday because the store shelves were just empty when it came to the book. I heard of copies on eBay in the black market going for crazy amounts of money. So those who pre-ordered it way back when were probably pretty happy that they got it at a good price when they could. Even celebrities couldn't get their hands on copies, but that didn't stop them from becoming fans. Yeah, Johnny Depp's story behind Quilt was a little weird. The book was everywhere, and I ended up writing a book about the book itself. I mean, everyone had heard of it, no matter where they lived, and pretty soon there were even talks of a musical, even though there was already a chapter about the story behind musicals in the book. Some news sources went a little bit crazy trying to hop on the bandwagon. I believe one article said that if you listened to the Beatles' White Album while reading the book, it would sync up. That's just a myth. But the cult was probably the weirdest thing. But really, I mean, the craze was ridiculous. It was everywhere, and it began haunting me. I began to wonder if I should have even opened the box at all.
Mom, snap out of it. We want you to open the box.
Alright, I'm gonna open it. It's time to open it. Packing slip. 28 copies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's real! Oh my god, it's so real! Oh my gosh! This is my book! This is my book! He's fine! He's fine, he's just dropping water. So, oh my god, my book! My book! There are copies of my book! Oh my god! This is me! This is my book! Oh my god! These are things! There are things in my book and it's real and... Oh my god! Oh my god, there's a UPC! You can buy my book! You can scan it! In the place where you scan things! My name is right there! Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is so crazy. It's real. It's so real. Oh! I don't know why this makes me excited. I don't know. Oh my gosh, my book is real. My book is real and it's so cute! Ah, it's little, just like my podcast! Oh my gosh, alright.
Mom, can you just calm down?